हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अमेजिंग लाइफ। कैसे हैं आप सब? उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब जहाँ भी हैं अमेजिंग हैं। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन, थैंक यू सो मच। आप सब इतना हमारी लाइफ देखते हैं, हमारी स्टोरीज देखते हैं, हमारे पोल्स रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं और इतना सारा लव लाइक और इतना सारा स्नेह दे रहे हैं, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन, थैंक यू सो मच। दोस्तों, ये वुमेन्स मंथ है, तो वी हैव having this month incredible women coming in our platform and really I'm telling you बहुत कुछ होगा। हम बहुत कुछ यहाँ से लेकर जाएंगे और आज का लाइव भी ऐसा ही है। हमारे यहाँ जो गेस्ट आ रही है, इवन शी इज़ एन अमेजिंग पर्सन। वी आर गोइंग टू हैव सम इनक्रेडिबल थिंग्स फ्रॉम यर टुडे। दोस्तों, इट डजेंट मैटर what how we are. It doesn't matter either we are successful or we are failure. It doesn't matter that we are plus size or we are slim. It doesn't matter at all that we are dark skin or we are fair skin, and it doesn't even matter that we are working or we are housewife. The only thing matter is how peaceful and happy we are. The important thing is that हम अपने आप को कितना ज़्यादा नेगेटिव सेल्फ टॉक करते हैं, उतना ही ज़्यादा हम अपने आप को नेगेटिव बना देते हैं। और हम अपने आप से जितना पॉजिटिव सेल्फ टॉक करेंगे, उतना ज़्यादा हम पॉजिटिविटी की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। एंड दिस इज़ अ एवरीडे प्रोसेस। इफ़ यू विल राइट इट डाउन somewhere and wherever you can read every day, just write it. I am awesome, I'm incredible, I am amazing, I'm kind, I'm strong, I'm important, I'm beautiful. Just write it down and watch that and read that daily. Make yourself make a reminder that you are awesome. You are really awesome. So let's get connected to our amazing guest and let's get to know more about her amazing ride, her amazing. It is not less than a roller coaster. So let's get to know more about her. So we are adding her and let's see, we'll be connecting her in a minute. So guys, please just remind yourself every time that you are awesome. You are awesome. Okay. So we have connected with our guest today. Hi.
Hello, Sheetal.
Hello. Hi.
I've just, the current has just gone and so it's difficult. Yeah,
Oh.
so I'm on mobile data right now. The Wi-Fi is not working actually.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't things happen.
It
It's
just
okay.
happened. It just happened, just in a, spur of a second.
No
Well,
worries. No.
yeah.
So how are you? All good?
Yes.
All
Good
good.
as ever. Yeah.
Good as good. That's great. That's great. Okay. So our guest is here, and let me introduce her to you all. Her name is Shirley Ma'am. She is known by Shirley Ma'am, and her name is
I
Sneha
just take a
Raj
position. Yeah.
Sharma. And her marital status is she's widow right now, and she has two children. One, she has a girl, she's 23, and a boy, 18-year-old, and both are doing amazing in their career. They are really doing really amazing in their careers. And she is teaching since 26 years, and I guess whole of her from teenager to till here she is just teaching it, and she loves that. And her children, her students are so relatable to her. She gelled up with their students so well. They have that super bond, and the connectivity they have with children and the teacher, that is really amazing. So let's see her. She has been through a very roller coaster ride.
2 minutes. The current
Yeah,
has come. I'll just
yeah,
put on the
yeah,
Wi-Fi. Yeah.
not a
I'm so
problem.
sorry. Yeah.
She has been through a very roller coaster ride, and her journey was very difficult. So let's see what exactly she went through and how she faced everything, and she is a hero now. So actually सच बताऊं तो हर हर इंसान में एक हीरो होता है, हर इंसान में. सिर्फ हमें देखने की जरूरत पड़ती है कि हम दूसरों को देखते हैं कि कोई हीरो आएगा और हमें बचाएगा. इट्स नॉट दैट वे. We have to be our own hero. We have to take a stand for our own self. We have to prioritize ourselves. We have to make ourselves realize that we are worth it. We are enough. So try to be your own hero. You know, you are, everybody is their own hero. So just be your own hero. So give us a minute. Our guest will connect with us within a short time and we'll start it again. In fact, you guys have any questions, you can ask to us. And any of you have, a really difficult time pushing hard on yourself, like how we can self-talk, how we can do the self-talk, how we can do the self-love, they can text me. They can text me. They can text us at Amazing Life. We are there to help you out. We will help you how you can go in this transformation journey, how you can start loving yourself. So you just, if you need a push, we are there for you. Just text us and really know your worth, really know your worth. And I'm telling you, if you're getting into this self-love, you know what, you will become selfless and you will start giving love to everyone around you, and that is really amazing. And just imagine the world, the entire world will be an amazing and loving world. So just love yourself, love yourself. I always say this, I always say this because you do so much. One second, I'm just connecting her again. Yeah. You guys can ask us questions. Anytime. What happened? Light again?
No, it's come.
Oh, it's there, right? Okay.
Yeah, I'm good.
So you are on Wi-Fi right now?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm on Wi-Fi, right?
Okay, okay.
I'm so
So
sorry for the inconvenience.
It's okay. It is digital thing, My audience is so kind and so supportive. They never say why this is happening. They have adjusted all since 50 lives. We have did so many experiments and they are always in. Thank you so much, actually, everyone, for that. So yeah, so let us start with your. Are you comfortable?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
I don't know whether I'm saying I'm visible or I'm audible. You can just, okay, and
Yeah,
audible?
yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Audible. You have
all
to be
good.
little louder. That's all.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Am I loud? Am I audible?
Yeah. Perfect. That's perfect. Okay. You can't see me.
Yeah, yeah, very well. In fact, very well.
Thank you
No
so much.
earrings.
Thank you so much. Okay. So, Shirley ma'am, right? Shirley ma'am. I will call you Shirley ma'am. That's you
Yeah,
are.
that's what my students call me. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Students call you. Yeah. So, how was your childhood? I really wanted to know how was your childhood, basically.
Well, childhood. Uh,
Yeah.
I've got many memories of childhood, but as every child has a dream world as a child, I would have such fantasies or such toys or such comfort or such parents, whatever. As any child, even I too had the same.
Okay. 1 second, I'm just adding her. No problem.
I'm so sorry, I'm done doing this for the first time. There's a lot of
It's okay. I understand. I was
yeah.
better. I was pathetic in my first life. You can watch
Okay.
it. I was
Yeah, yeah.
really bad. So that's okay. That's
So
okay.
yeah.
Just try to be
Coming to my
comfortable.
coming to my childhood. Well, I had simple parents. I had a very hard-working father. My mother was a simple housewife, a very obedient housewife, and my dad was a robust dictator type dad and a very strict disciplinarian. I could call him whatever I am today. Of course, I give all my credit, all my honor to him that he has grounded in me this discipline. But they were very strict as such. And we did not come from a very well-to-do family. It was a very simple family where my dad was a very honest man. He did have various means to come up in life, being in the union with the workers. He always supported the workers, and so he never accepted any type of bribe or any type of offers from the management. So I've seen him working with honesty, and that's what I do also follow in my own career. Well, childhood was tough. I did not enjoy all the comforts which I expected. I had to start working at a very young age. In fact, my father washed off his hands from my educational expenses and my expenses when I was just 16. So after
Oh,
I finished my 10th standard, I started taking tuitions. And
okay.
my mother had made me a self-reliant girl right from, I remember from the fourth or fifth standard itself, my mother had almost started training me for cooking, for doing the house chores. So I was always that self-reliance was always there in me, Atmanirbhar. It's not now it has come in like how our uh, the government says that we should be self-reliant, and self-reliance is the most important thing as a woman. We all women should be self-reliant. In fact, every individual should be.
Yeah.
So self-reliance was grounded in me right from childhood. So from the age of 16, I would travel into the gullies of Mulund or the buildings of Mulund and teach these Gujarati people's children, and they used to just love me. Sarli ma'am avi gaya, Sarli ma'am avi gaya, and they used to just love me. And that's how being a Catholic, they had a lot of reverence for me. They think that a Catholic teacher is the best English teacher.
Yeah.
That's how I got so much love from the people of Mulund. And of
Right.
course, then I started traveling out. I've traveled right from Dahanu, Charni Road, Borivali, Bhayandar, so many branches of Sukh Sagar Institute. That's the first institute which gave me a break at the young age of 19. Yes,
Ooh.
I taught at the age of 20, I joined Mahesh Tutorials. That's how
Oh,
my journey of teaching and coaching classes began. And
yeah.
till today, I've
It's
taught,
a
I guess,
kind
26 years. So many children who have now
of,
started getting married and they've got children. So I've really seen children becoming successful. And I'm proud of
that's
teaching them. Yeah.
that's great. That's
My
really great.
childhood was like this.
Yeah.
There are
So
some bitter experiences also as a child, where I think even in some families today there is this discrimination between a girl and a boy. I would not say I was a victim of that, but I could sense it somewhere, where I was a very good student. I had a dream to join science, but then my father just said I couldn't afford to teach you, my child, so you have to manage on your own. But my brother was given the chance to join science and do
oh,
science. So that was, and I was a good student. I was really a good student. I would always stand in the top three in St. Mary's School. So I
wow.
really give all honor and tribute to my school. The persona I am is because of the sisters and the nuns of St. Mary's Convent in Mulund.
Hmm.
So I did have this as a child. I also had one more barrier which I could share today since you've given me this platform. I always had the inferiority complex of a dark complexion. you
Okay.
know so I would always hear those phrases, those adjectives called out to me in my own house. Sometimes I would be teased with my dark complexion, and today I feel it's nothing of that sort. I simply wasted those years yearning and crying and
Absolutely.
regretting.
I
Girls,
guess.
women,
Yeah.
we are beautiful the way we are. Accept.
Absolutely.
Yeah, you are beautiful. Each one of us is beautiful.
Yeah.
And I
Absolutely.
realized that very late. I
Yeah.
realized that very late.
Yeah,
Uh,
even
so,
that happened with me. Yeah, yeah.
yeah,
I
yeah,
where are you? Because this is the reason. This is the ultimate reason for that we have started
yeah,
working with teenagers.
yeah,
Making them, because teenager is a time we just catch up something nonsense and we keep on our head since
yeah,
long and drag that till
yeah.
30s and
It
40s.
creates, yeah, it brings a lot of inferiority complex in you. So this was
Absolutely.
one reason that I was always, thinking that I'm not beautiful, I'm not beautiful. And then I would see my students saying, Miss, you're so beautiful. Or anybody would say, my friend would say, you are a pretty woman. So I understood that this is all our,
In our head.
misconceptions or
Yeah,
people being judgmental about us. We should just pay a deaf ear to such people and
right.
believe your creator has created you in his own image and
Beautiful.
likeness, and you
Yeah.
are his creation. You need to respect that creation.
True, true, true. I really get what you're saying. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
absolutely.
yeah,
This is a
yeah.
message for all the teenagers, whoever thinking that they are not good enough, their hair is
Yeah,
not good, their skin is not good, their physical appearance is not good, they are fat or whatever. This is not a time to think that, you are just focusing on your external things, and that really doesn't matter because that don't define you as a
exactly.
person. It doesn't define you. Your talent, your skill, your capabilities are not defined by just small things. No way, no way. So don't take that and just don't get into a head. Just remove it. Just talk to someone. Talk to us. We will just help you out with that. So yeah, really, this was a huge, and really this is, I guess this has happened with everyone around,
Yeah.
everyone around. Yeah, yeah. So tell me, how after you have started doing working, at the age of 15, it's
16,
just a teenager,
16.
16.
Yeah.
Yeah, age of 16, just a teenager. You have started earning by your own self, and your own
So I
self you
believe
have
earn, earn while you learn. You know,
earned.
our Indian children, Indian children do not understand this. In fact, Indian parents also don't encourage this. But
Yeah,
whereas in abroad we can find children working after the age of 15. So it's nothing. It's not wrong to work. We should do some small job where we can understand the importance of money, how
yeah,
our parents
that's
manage to
that's
take
true.
care of us in spite of so
That,
many difficulties and sacrifices. So
that's true.
earn and learn is indeed an important message to take home for our children, especially our children whom we pamper a lot, give them things which I mean, we overdo things for them. We
Yeah,
overprotect them. Yeah.
overprotect. Yeah,
So
and
this is
that
what
over.
I thank my parents. No doubt I have some complaints, but I thank that they made me so strong at a young age.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
That actually shaped you up, actually. That
Yes. Exactly.
struggle, that struggle shaped you up. But you
Yes.
know what? That is the time we find for more craving for love, affection,
Exactly.
and everything.
Exactly. Yeah.
Maybe I missed all those things.
Yes, definitely. I said to you that my father was a very strict father, and I always had that incompleteness in me, and I felt I'm a good for nothing, or I crave for love. Such things happen. That's how began my second phase
Really.
of
Yeah.
my life
So
as an adolescent, or you can say how I fell in love with
right.
the
So
first,
yeah,
the
I just
first.
wanted to know. I wanted to know that in detail. So how you met your love? Yeah, your
Yeah,
partner. How you met
my
your partner?
partner, my husband,
Yeah, your husband.
or how, or rather, if you see my name, it is Shirley Marina Fernandez.
Okay.
And today, officially, I am Mrs. Sneha Raj Sharma. So
Right.
that's my drastic
Transformation. Yeah.
change of identity. You know, I did not even realize I was so madly in love that I allowed my whole identity to be changed from
Hmm.
Shirley to Sneha.
Right.
Well, this is again an interesting, sad, plus all mixed feelings in this type of a story. So I fell in love. I don't know whether it was love or it was just infatuation. It was just a way of taking a revenge or feeling that craving for love. But we fell in love. So
Okay.
his name is Raj. Was Raj rather? I have lost him. He's no more in my life. But then it was at the age of 17 that we fell in this puppy love. And at the age of 22, we got married. Both of us were just 22, quite an early age, but it was a love marriage. So sort
Yeah.
of we, uh, eloped, or you can say we told our parents, but it was not a marriage which was supported by our family. It was
Right.
not supported by our family. So that is my second journey after my childhood, where I started living on my own. Both of us alone. We have traveled 23 years alone. Of course, for the initial 8 years, 8 to 7 years, I had no support at all from my parents. But slowly, whenever I called my mother, my father to, stand by me, they did come. They did come. But still, I have never gone like, all girls have this privilege, मैं मायके जा रही हूँ. I'm going for a month to my parents' house. I have never been. I have been here grounded for 23 years and I'm still there. So it was a difficult journey,
Yeah, absolutely. It's very
very
difficult.
difficult journey to bring up two children all alone with my career, with a marriage which was so confused because we were very young, did not, cross check or did not understand or did not logically, rationally think certain things, and we just jumped into the thing called as marriage. But निभाया, कैसे भी करके निभाया. दो beautiful बच्चे हैं, Roshni and Tanishq. I had a very tough time bringing them up. If you want to ask
Yeah.
me or what particular things about it.
Yeah, yeah. I wanted to know ki, how was your journey juggling with, as a parent and as a working
Yeah,
parent?
yeah,
Like,
exactly. As a
how?
parent,
Yeah.
so very sad to say that I was the only one who would work actually, who was the financial provider of the house. My
Okay.
husband could not click anywhere. The stability was very weak in the sense he would get a job and again he would be on and off. So financially, I never got support from him.
Ooh.
That's my bad luck or his bad luck. So I was the one who would always take care of the things financially. It
Okay.
was really difficult for me. I had to reach the first lecture was at 7 a.m. at Borivali or 7 a.m. at Charni Road. I had to leave the house at 5:30 with that small baby. I would take my small 40 days old baby along with me in the bag in the front of me, and then I would travel all those days of my life. I remember, and it really brings nervousness, and I become very sad about it. But I still take pride that I did it. I took that baby. I would keep her in the storeroom, and the peon would take care of her. I would come in the middle of the lecture, feed her, and go back again. And that's how I took care of her. And that's how Roshni has gone through a lot of tough time as a child. The second one, I was much well to do. I was able to provide with him all the comforts. But Roshni, my girl, has gone through a lot of tough time, traveling with me at that young age, from pillar to post, keeping her in creches, in babysitting, or you can say with servants. So I, as a mother, if you ask me, juggling, I feel I have done injustice somewhere as a mother. One day I found a diary in Roshni's drawers where she's written, "My mama loves her students. She doesn't love me." So
That's
we children do think about these things. Children do remember things. I found that diary I think when she was in the 8th standard. So that means all these years she's been thinking that mom always loves her students. No doubt I love my students. They're my lifeline. If today you can see me happy or see me smiling, it's because of my students. Because they make me live another day. I have to report in the morning at 7 with a smiling face in front of the students. So that makes me go on and go on.
fun.
So
Right.
it was very difficult with the children, with lectures, with classes, with the household chores, my many things, the domestic front,
Yeah.
dealing with a husband who was not so well employed. It was tough.
No, but it was on you also. It was, too much. You have to work
Yeah,
also. You have
yeah.
to take care of kid also, and you were juggling with both. Yeah,
In the
because
bargain, in the bargain, in the bargain, I had to compromise on my health. I was a very healthy, sporty child. I'm a district level volleyball player. I'm an
oh
athlete also in school. So I was a very fit child. But
yeah,
then because of this stress, I was diagnosed with stress induced asthma.
oh
And I feel claustrophobic and I just get these asthma attacks.
oh
So that was another challenge which came to me
yeah,
while I
because
was accomplishing my duties.
yeah,
Yes,
because this
yes,
juggling went on since so many years.
yeah.
It
In
was
those
not.
days, we didn't have such shows na, to tell us, to inspire us, say positive, speak positive, say I'm the best. There was no one. We had no such sources at that time. And today, the girls and boys are so lucky, so fortunate, so blessed that they have mentors. They've got people who speak, motivational speakers who speak and tell them how to tackle life.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. I agree with that. Yeah, yeah, that's true. So, you have been through a lot, basically. You have been through a lot because I can imagine, being juggling with work and kid. It's not easy. It's not easy at all.
Yeah.
So don't feel that you have not did your part because as a mother, all mother does their part oftenly. You
Yes.
are, yeah, you
Yes.
are, you are a super mom. I can say that. Not
Yes.
you
All
not only
moms are.
you
All
not
moms
only
are.
took care of them, you also provided them. You know. So
Yes.
yeah, so that's huge. That's huge. You were having both the parts to play, so that's huge. And you said that you are alone, so you are playing all the parts. You are
Yeah.
playing the parts of their nana nani also, and then their dada dadi
Dada,
also.
dadi, mama, mami, or chacha,
Right.
chachi. I mean, yeah. That's
Yeah.
why
So
some girls, they think that a nuclear family is better, a joint family is not good. But I will say to you, my dear friends, whoever is listening, children do need a family. They need a good upbringing. It is
yeah,
not
they
that they just need material comforts. ये लाके दिया, वो लाके दिया, मैंने ये लाके दिया, सब तो लाके दिया. It is not that.
yeah.
They need is love. They need is time.
Time.
They need a listening
Mm.
ear who will listen to their stupid things also. So I'm just here to speak on the mistakes which I have done. I do not want the young moms who are listening to me to repeat, what I have done. Another thing I would just love to share, Sheetal, if you allow me.
Yeah, yeah.
I, as a mother, I would want my child to do everything. मेरे बच्चे को सब आना चाहिए. You won't
ये सब
believe I have not left any stone unturned.
yeah.
Pravinya exam, IPM exam, Homi Baba, scholarship, skating, violin, guitar, singing,
Oh my,
intermediate, elementary, my
oh my.
children, karate. I put them because I was working. My child should be busy from Monday to Sunday, running from pillar to post for every class. No doubt I am paying their fees. It was a big bomb I was paying, but I wanted them to do everything. Very important to remember. Jack of all, master of none.
And
And I did not realize that. Of course, today I see all the musical instruments are lying all around the house. All the scholarship certificates are there inside the cupboard. And my daughter turns out to be a model. She was an intelligent child. She was a scholastic child, around 90% she would score. She then became a rugby player. She reached the national level. And then
wow.
she suddenly switched to modeling, where she is doing amazing. But as a mother, there again I went wrong. As parents, we have expectations. Mera bacha ye hona chahiye. And being from academics, when parents come for admission, they will first ask about my daughter instead of asking me how good as a teacher I am. आप तो
Right.
पढ़ाते हैं, आप तो टीचर हैं, फिर आपने आपकी बेटी को मॉडल कैसे बनने दिया? It is my beti's sapna. It is my daughter's dream. We never got to live our dreams. We as parents have to understand that they have their dreams, they have their careers, they are mature enough to understand what is important for them. So allow them to live their dreams. Today,
Absolutely.
I just keep all those medals and certificates, and what am I doing about it? So parents should tap their children's areas of talent. My child is good at maths. तब मैं उसको वैदिक मैथ्स, IPM, abacus उसमें डालूं.
Right. Right.
This is what parents are not understanding.
Yeah.
As
They
it is,
want
they give birth to only one child. They give birth to only one child. So they want
yeah.
that child to
सब
be a superhero.
सब
Nahi,
कुछ child से
nahi.
child.
He's a child. Allow him to enjoy his childhood. One or two
Yeah.
activities, okay. So मैंने वो किया, and I could see the frustration on those children. So I, being from the intellectual or academic field, both my children went into arts. My students have become doctors and lawyers or aeronautical engineers. But my children have chosen their own field of, what they love to do, is their interest. And I respect it now. But that understanding came to me very late.
Yeah.
So we as parents should
That.
understand.
Yeah, yeah. You juggle with that acceptance ki how
Yes,
I
yes, yes.
accepted. Yeah, yeah.
Yes. My
Yeah.
ego, my pride, my job, or my prestige in society, that's not important. My child's happiness is important at the end of
That's
the
the
day. Yes.
there is one there's one saying I say to my son, and he always keeps on repeating it. I always say, my priorities are set, first param, then rest. I always say this. So,
Excellent, excellent.
yeah, so, even he's in it now. He knows ki mom will prioritize me first and then she will do the other stuff. So,
Exactly.
yeah, this is I learned now, this is we learn in a journey.
But you learned quite early. You're still a very young mom,
Yeah,
so
so
you've taken the right decision. Yeah.
yeah, thank you so much. But we need to figure it out actually.
Yes,
What is
yes, yes.
priority we have to give, we have to put on that way. So yeah, I think I guess this is a very good example for all of us, including me too. That हम लोग बच्चों को सब कुछ कराना चाहते हैं. We should not do that. We should just limit ourselves. We should just listen to our kid. What the kid is opting for, what is choice, what is hobby, what is interest. And then
Exactly.
we opt for whatever the kid is looking for, and just don't make him do everything. Just focus on one thing and just be focused. Yeah, that's true. I think yes, this is also a very good thing which people will take from here, because ये गलती
Yeah,
हम सब करते हैं. We all do this. So this is a good learning from you. Thank you for sharing this, because
yeah,
this
yeah.
will absolutely make a difference. Yeah, absolutely, because this is something very huge. Unconsciously ये mistake होती है.
We are doing it. Yeah.
Nobody is consciously doing it, but unconsciously we all are doing this wrong. So thank you so much for sharing this. This is really good. So tell me about your journey, totally being a teacher, as a teacher of this
Yeah.
26 years of experience.
Yeah. So first of all, I just forgot to mention you that um, I am a very jovial person, happy-go-lucky person. People often judge me looking at my dressing or whatever, that she's a very materialistic woman, but I am a spiritual person also. And I strongly believe whatever I am today, it's all because of God.
Absolutely.
You just said that my life has been a roller coaster ride, but every time that's why you can see the caption you've written, each time I fall, I rise up again. So there's this song, you raise me up when I fall down across mountains, or when I face stormy seas. And who's that who raises me up? It's God. You can see him behind me, just behind
Yeah,
me.
I can see that. I
Yeah.
can see that. Yeah.
And I strongly believe that problems will come, problems will go. Most of us, go to God, begging, asking, telling him, ye hua, wo hua. We keep on complaining, God, this is my problem, this is my problem, this is my problem. But I always believe, I heard a preacher once preaching and he said, don't tell God how big your problems are. Tell your problem how big your God is.
Super,
So
super.
every time I always keep, of course, I talk to him and ask him, how much more? Or kitna yaar? Then I realize that probably I'm his favorite. Probably he knows I can deal with it.
Yeah, you have that potential.
Yes, maybe, or he's testing me. That's what
Yes.
people say when I had so many, misfortunes in my life. Like whether it's sickness, whether it's financial crisis, or whether it's the loss of my own dear husband, or anything of that sort. I fall, but I believe that we need to rise up. We need to
Right.
once again start and start it all over. That's why I always say that the never say, never die attitude. Life is so precious. That's why I keep on telling my students. It's not that I just teach them economics or English, but I also teach them about moral values. And the best thing about me and my students is we are friends. So things which they can't share with their parents, maybe it's about their own sexuality also, they come and share in the class. Because parents do not understand this, that they are supposed to discuss with their child so many topics. In हमारे ज़माने में चलता था, because our parents never told us this. But parents even today think, नहीं स्कूल में learn करते हैं ना, दोस्तों में learn करते हैं, but वो गलत learn करते हैं कभी कभी. So I, as a teacher, have always taken the opportunity to tell my children, to counsel my children, to discuss things with them, and they open up. It's fun, when they interact with you. And believe me, I always feel younger because of them. When I'm with them, I feel young. I
Yeah,
feel like
definitely.
zindagi na mile dobara. I really feel like living all the more. So this online teaching has almost killed me. I'm yearning, I'm dying to meet them in classroom. I'm waiting for the classes to open. I'm sure even the children are. Kitna bhi online kar lo, but teacher is a teacher.
Yeah,
The teacher is their second mother actually. The teacher is their friend.
right.
Every child has a favorite teacher. It may not be me, but some teacher touches
Yeah,
the life of a child.
yeah, that's true. That's true.
Yes.
Yeah,
So as a teacher, I'm really proud to be a teacher, and I don't know how I landed in this profession. I said to you at the age of 16, and from then I'm still teaching. So it's going to be almost 30 years now.
yeah, that's great. That's
And I really
nice.
feel good that my students, they've reached America, they've reached Dubai, and still they call me, happy birthday, miss.
Wow, that's
Happy
nice.
Teachers Day, happy Guru Purnima. And that's my Oscar. That's my Oscar. There's no need for me to get an award, and be frustrated. That wish, that prayer, that good luck itself is a blessing.
True, true, true. I guess. Yeah,
So
that's
प्रॉब्लम्स भी आते हैं, लेकिन साथ में लाइफ में एंजल्स भी आते हैं. मेरे स्टूडेंट्स हैं, कोई पेरेंट्स भी हैं अच्छे. And of course, there are some great friends, whom God, from time to time, God has always sent some angels in my life. There are
yeah.
some people in my life at every stage. They've come, inspired, motivated, lifted me up, and helped me walk again.
Yeah. So that's amazing. That's really
Yeah.
amazing. Yeah.
So
So
trust God, and He will make a way. He will make a way.
yeah, yeah, absolutely. I believe it because we need to surrender it. First, we need to surrender
Yes.
it. If we
Surrender
don't,
and believe. Surrender and trust. Yeah.
yeah, 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 with a great trust, then things happen, and God is always there. So, tell me your journey, after your husband. How tough is your journey when
I
you lost
cannot
your
hear
husband?
you actually. My journey as?
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Yeah, I
Your
can hear you.
journey when you lost your husband.
Yeah.
So, yeah, how it is.
The most difficult question. Yes.
Okay.
First of all, it is so unbelievable that I've lost him. I still feel the presence because it's been almost 30 years now. He was with me through thick and thin, good or bad. However he was my husband. So it was difficult. See, being a financial provider, I've always been then and I've been now. I am now. But life is difficult. Life was very challenging. The minute I lost him, my status suddenly switched from married to, being a widow. So I got some messages coming up today. Miss, we don't want to see that in your status. Write single. Why it is written widow? I said, that is the truth. So it was very difficult. I was confused now how my life is going to be. So I was wearing the white dress, the black dress. We as Catholics wear black and white or some, blue. My son was very upset and he said, Mom, you are a colorful person.
Absolutely.
There are people who speak, judgmental people who talk. Dekho, she has lost her husband and how she roams about. But they said, Mama, you have to live your life for us, for your students. You have to be presentable. So he's not gone. He's gone physically, but he's still there with me. So I still believe that he's there and I live my life as I am. Of course, there are dual feelings. So I do use my time going to the gym, working out, helping people, conducting activities in the building. I spend time with the senior citizens. I love making friends. I love cooking. I used to be, I know I had some restrictions when he was there. He was a type of a second dad to me. Remember, I told you my dad was very strict,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
so
yeah.
was my husband.
Same.
So I would not, yeah, almost same. So I would not be allowed to go to the gym or to dance like a bird as I dance now, or to conduct things which I would love to. He was a little bit of a conservative type. But today I use that free time to do all these things, and I really enjoy it. I enjoy doing all those activities. So life is not over. Life
Yeah,
has to give
absolutely.
me many more opportunities,
Yeah.
and I'm accepting. I live one day at a time, waiting for what's going to happen next. I was very sick in the past 1.5 month. I was very bad, and I thought everything is going to be over now. But then once again, I was. In fact, you also had called me once, and then you also motivated me, and I was very happy when I heard your voice, and I said, no, I will fight this, and I will come out of it.
That's great.
And
That's really
I'm much better now.
wow.
Of course,
That's
I do feel sad sometimes, but I know I will come out.
yeah, you will come out. You will come out. And you should not get into it when people judge you because
Yeah,
it's their work. It's their work. If they don't, what they will do? What else they will do? So let them do their work, and we should keep on doing our work. That's all.
of
That's
course,
all
of
we can do.
course. Continue the good work you do. Yeah,
Yeah, continue the good work and don't feel yourself, that you can't do this, you can't do. Don't restrict now. Don't restrict
yeah.
so much.
So I have a bucket list. I've made a bucket list, and I keep on fulfilling all those things which I would never. Very
Never,
late, though. I could have
because
done that much earlier, but it's
yeah,
never late. It's never
yeah,
late.
never late.
So I
And
have
that's
learned to ride
fun,
the bike as well, the bullet, the heavy bike. I love to ride that, so I've started riding that.
Oh, nice.
It gives me a lot of thrill and adventurous feel that I can do it.
That's
My
great.
son teases me, "Mama, tu itni moti hai, tu kaise chalayegi?" But it's okay. I will do it. But he's the one who always encourages me, my son, and I'm
Yeah.
really proud of him. My children are really, they are
Your
my
strength.
pillars now. Yeah, they are my
Your,
pillars. They understand me, and they keep on motivating me.
that's great. That's really great. That's
Yeah.
really great. You have so much shared with us. You have, it's really a very difficult, uh, what I wanted to ask one thing, what do you miss in all of this years? What is the one thing, one very
Miss.
important thing? What do you feel? Yeah, I have
Yeah.
missed, you know, since all these
See,
years.
if you, as a personality, today I know it's very difficult that we discover ourselves very late. I fail to discover myself.
True.
I fail to discover the person I am, and I
Right.
took many hasty decisions. Hasty decisions. So I always tell my students, and when I have a farewell party, I give a speech. And the first advice I always give children, please make the right choices. Whatever it is even the smallest of things. First, you write down. You write down your feelings. You write down your thoughts, and whatever exact you feel. Don't come under any type of peer pressure or parental pressure or any pressure for that matter. There's always a war going on, a warfare between our conscience and our prudence.
Right.
Conscience, prudence.
Right.
So we need to be very wise. I did not do that, so that's the thing which I regret, and I want to undo those things.
Right.
But ठीक है ना, नहीं किया, नहीं कर पाई, but आगे करूंगी.
आगे
The
करेंगे.
my yeah, I will be a good decision maker. I will take right decisions in future. I've decided. So it's better. It's never late. It's never late.
It's never late.
But
Wow.
then if you ask me, I will always say that this is the thing which I miss, not discovering my whole self, not loving myself sufficiently,
Yes.
and not allowing other people to control my life.
Right. Right.
Yes, it's
We
my life.
we we go out for validation. Generally, we
Yes,
we don't need validation of anybody else.
not at
We
all.
we are just enough for our own validation, but we go around for the validation, and that's the wrong thing
Yes,
we do. Yeah, yeah. So
yes,
yeah, so from this, I guess everybody can take this because Shwari ma'am has said this amazing thing and really जो भी ये चीज ले लेगा ना उसकी लाइफ में बहुत huge change होगा and that will really help them out. Really, this is a huge one. Really, this is a huge one because taking a right decision is a prime important thing. You know, so
Yes.
that's very important. So, last but not the least, your advice to all of us. You have already
Well,
shared,
I
but
am no one. मैंने खुद कहा कि मैंने इतनी गलतियां की हैं. मैंने इतनी गलतियां की हैं, but then still we learn from mistakes.
yeah,
So if you ask me, if I see myself today, my counselor says, no doubt you've done mistakes, but today you are at a point, at a pedestal where it's very difficult for a single woman to stand. So you have achieved things. Be proud of it. Be full of gratitude. So I have understood that the most important thing that we need to have is gratitude.
yeah, absolutely.
Each morning, even before you open your eyes, you have to have that gratitude in your heart.
Yeah,
Begin your day with gratitude, end your day with gratitude. Bless
absolutely.
people around you. Keep on blessing, keep on saying thank you. The thank yous and your smiles can work magic.
Yeah, true, true.
Greet people, respect people. And of course, if you want a success formula, like how to become successful in spite of so many अड़चने आती हैं, stumbling blocks come in your way, challenges come in your way. So I always tell my students, and I would like to tell you also, should I tell them? Should I tell
Yeah,
you?
yeah,
Yeah, so
absolutely.
there is this abbreviation, there's this abbreviation or a short form you can say.
Okay.
I call it as H P square T B raised to 6 NW. So I
Oh,
say it as hard work,
wow.
patience होना चाहिए बहुत सारा.
Yes, absolutely.
Parishram stands for perseverance. So hard
Okay.
work, patience, perseverance, tolerance. Young girls and boys need to learn this
Top.
tolerance, sahanshilta.
Right.
Yes. And then comes the 6 Ds. The Ds are very important. The first thing is you need to have a desire. Then you make a decision. Then you need to be determined, determination. Then you need to do it with dedication. You have to have discipline and
True.
not the least, complete devotion. Desire, decision, determination, dedication, discipline, devotion.
Right.
Plus, you have to be a noble person, nobility. सही
Nobility.
रास्ते से सब चीज हासिल करना है,
सही
nobility.
तरीके. Right.
And सबसे बड़ा value जो होना चाहिए, that is willingness to do. जहाँ चाहा वहाँ राह, we say. So
Yeah, yeah.
willingness, willpower. So it's hard work, patience, perseverance, tolerance, your 6 Ds, which I told you,
Right.
nobility and willingness. मैं
That's
कोशिश करती हूँ कि ये सारी चीज में पालूं. And I have done that. I am
yeah.
doing it still.
That's
So,
huge. That's nice. See, you are getting so
yes.
much of love and likes. People have started
I
floating on.
cannot
I
see anything because I'm not seeing it. I'll see it afterwards.
yeah.
Yeah.
Even somebody has written Purna. No, one second. I'll just read on. Jayashri Jayashri has written good one. Meena has written inspirational video. And Purna has written absolutely. And Jigna has written love you, Shirley ma'am. Smita
Yes.
has written Shirley, you are a real hero. Love you, tons gratitude. So
Thank you
wow,
so
wow,
much.
wow.
I have a lot of, I owe you this platform. I know not a big personality or even, it's a small thing, but still, if you can change lives and you are doing an amazing job, Sheetal. I've
Thank you
known
so
you
much.
as a, young girl. I really appreciate what you've done. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you
Yeah,
so
yeah.
much. Actually, thank you so much. You know what? The things you have shared, very few people are there. They want to share their mistakes. People are
Yeah.
not ready to, they all, everybody wants to share the best in them. But I guess you are the one who is sharing her mistakes so that people can learn and so that they won't do that mistake.
Yes.
That itself is an awesome thing. You are really an awesome person, and you are a fighter. You are a
Thank you.
warrior.
Thank you.
And
Yes.
you are a rock star. I tell you, you are a rock star.
Thank you
So
so
you are
much.
just doing fabulous. The way you are going ahead, everybody is there with you. Your students, your kids,
Yes.
we all
And
are
my
there with.
friends, and my
Yeah, your
friends, I'm the senior most, and I've got these young girls. They're my friends, and like there is Dhwani, there is Purna, there is Lata, there are so many Jigna. There are so many friends I've got here in my place where I stay. And especially during my sickness, they held my hands, and I really admire them. I've got even my spiritual guides. There is Jennifer Fernandez. I cannot forget the times when I fell. She was always there to help me. Yes, and I've got people who pray for me, who have prayed for me. So I really want to thank all of you, my well wishers, whoever is watching or not watching. I want to take this opportunity to thank you. I want to thank Roshni, my daughter. I want to thank my son, Tanishk. I want to thank my husband, Raj, who's not with me, but still in me. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you to all of you.
And thanks to you. Thanks to you for sharing
My
the
pleasure.
beautiful insight. You have shared that amazing wisdom, what you are carrying, the mistakes you have did so that we can't do that mistake. Thank you so much. It is a valuable one. And I'm very sure whoever is watching this and whoever will watch later on, they will really get the insight from this, and it will change their life. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your lovely time and value. Thank you so much. It
Thank
was
you. Thank
really
you.
fun for us.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Shitu. Thank you. Thank you, friends.
Yeah, so
Bye-bye.
we are winding up the live now, and thank you so much, everyone, for joining us. See, people are writing for you again. Purna is writing, wow. Surekha is writing, very good. Smita is saying, more power to you, great warrior. Wow,
Yeah.
wow. See, people see, Meena is writing, thanks, ma'am. So now people just understand, how powerful your vibes are, and how as a warrior, you come out from your life. So you are an inspirational. Actually, you are really an inspiration. So keep inspiring everyone around.
Yes.
That's
Keep
beautiful.
praying for me. Yes. Thank you so much.
So, guys, we are just winding up the show, and it was really amazing talking to Shirley ma'am, and she is doing really great. And her never give up attitude really, really helping her to get all through her roller coaster ride, whatever she faced in her life. And I hope we will take away something from here, and have a very, very beautiful day. Keep smiling.